IT, what up, beat it, IT, what up, beat it.
What is going on, my brodies? It is Andrew of Beta AT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a brand new YouTube video. In this YouTube video, I'd like to go over a brand new sample pack that I just released called the AT Flashback, which is a pack that is about 3.5 gigabytes in size. There's 250 different files, and yeah, we're gonna do a quick walk through the pack, and I'm gonna kind of give you the details about it, and then I'm also going to tell you about a special offer. But first, before we get started, I'd like to let you guys know that we now have a new feature on our website over at betaat.com, where you guys can listen to individual samples in our sample packs and then purchase them individually or download them individually. And it also includes the stems or the track outs of each melody composition. So if you guys want to learn more or check them out, I'll put the link for the individual samples down below. But all right, besides that, let's go ahead and get started and go through this sample pack. So in this free sample pack, where you guys can get it down below, you gotta sign in or become a member over at Beta AT, which is free and shouldn't take you more than 30 seconds. And in there, you will see that you could download a pack called the AT Flashback. And in there, it includes loops, MIDI, and one-shots. One-shots being those and for some of you that might recognize some of these samples from other AT kits, that is because we included some, not all, but some of these samples in this pack are from some of the packs that we sell on our website. So essentially what this pack is, it's kind of like a demo kit where it features just a couple samples from various kits that we sell. It does not have samples that we put in the free ones. I think the only ones that we potentially reused were the FX, which we've released in the free pack before. But besides that, everything else should be brand new or something that you haven't gotten before, unless if you've purchased all the drum kits off of the Beta AT website. So as I said, it features just a selection of different samples from different kits. So in your sample pack, you should also get a PDF file like this that goes into what you get in this pack. So here is a special coupon code for you guys. But besides that, AT Sound Kit 4, AT Sound Kit 3, AT Placement Pack 1, I only included a couple things from this pack. It's a discontinued sold out pack, which we had available only for a limited time. We don't offer it anymore. The AT a Smash Kit, and then several other from different free packs. One thing that we also did include was, if you guys go in here, we included the NLE Choppa tutorial stems. So if you've seen our NLE Choppa beat tutorial video on YouTube, you get the whole entire stems of that project in here as well. So I don't have that anywhere else. And then I also included a product in here completely free, a product that we sell on our website, but I included it in here for free. You guys get a lot of different MIDI files with this pack. Go on MIDI. I included only a selection of MIDI from the AT MIDI and Melody Loop Kit 4. The AT MIDI and Melody Loop Kit 4 has a ton of other MIDI files. So if you like some of those MIDI files, I would highly recommend that you guys check out the AT MIDI and Melody Loop Kit 4. So in here, you get the master files of various samples, and yes, you can use them in your beats and sell them on your beat store and such, and you can sell them to independent artists and independent producers. So you get the master files. If you guys want to get the stems, you gotta go get the pack, the full pack. So and we include the BPM. We actually shouldn't be giving you this sample because technically we actually landed a placement, an exclusive rights placement with this sample. It's gonna be on a song called Fred the Great Tragic. If you don't know the artist Fred the Great, check him out. He's big with the NBA players and such, but he's an upcoming artist. But he actually purchased the exclusive rights to a beat that we made using this sample. So if you guys want to check out Fred the Great Tragic, go ahead and check it out. But these are just some of the samples that you get all for free in the sample pack. Here is that NLE Chopper Master. You can see you get the 808 chopped, clap, cymbal, synthetic, felt keys, hi-hat, kick, rim, another rim. But yeah, you guys get the stems so you guys can see how we did it. Now obviously in the master file we did some mastering effects, so if you're wondering like why does that sound so quiet or not so compressed, that's why, because in the master file it includes the mastering, such that if you guys want to practice your mastering, you know, using those stems and then trying to make a master around that might be a good idea. What else we got? We got the 80 MIDI MLD Loop Kit 4. These are the different samples that it includes. Here. But if you switch it around, honestly, the whole point of this kit is to show you some of the samples that we produce for you guys whenever you guys choose to upgrade your samples and sounds when shopping with us. The whole goal of this is to give you guys a starting foundation, to build your library, to then also, you know, help build trust between you and us, make sure that you know that what you're getting when working with us, purchasing from us, or even downloading samples from us, that you're getting something quality and that we're not trying to just, you know, recycle stuff. We want to give you the best melodies. We want to give you MIDI files so you guys can look at melodies, break them down, recreate them, do something yourself, and then land placements or get fire beats for yourself or whatever you plan on doing. The big thing was that when I was starting out making beats several years ago, there wasn't really a lot of resources. I know a lot of things have changed recently. Beat making has gotten more popular, so there's a lot of samples, sample libraries, people making samples, people doing tutorials. So I understand it's quite the crowded marketplace. So hopefully that whenever you guys download this, you guys can compare our free stuff to other people's free stuff, and, you know, have trust with us that we're gonna always give you the best, in that we're always trying to improve. So if you feel like that these samples are much better than other free samples that we've done before, that's the whole goal. Is like, we want to show you guys that there's a progression with this, and so hopefully, like, even down the road we'll even give you more crazy samples, maybe stuff with like real live instruments playing and people doing music compositions live, whereas a lot of the stuff what we're doing right now is more in the box, so, or in the computer. But the whole goal is still to provide you the most quality and useful samples and tools that, you know, you may not have, and also giving you that access. Let's let me show you some of the MIDI. Let's do some of the MIDI. Alright, so I got a piano VST pulled up. I'm gonna pull in that first piano MIDI. We're at 160 BPM. Let's play it. Let's try it lower, like 120 or 110. Let's try another one. These are all the free MIDIs that you get, and these are just some examples that are inside the 18 MIDI and Melody Loop Kit 4. Like I said, I think this is one of the best MIDI kits we've ever released. The whole goal of it was to step up the game and give you guys melodies that producers and songwriters are using nowadays. And we also identify each key that the MIDI's in, so you guys know, and can always change it or set your scale a little bit differently. Got guitars, leads. Let's pull up one more piano one. I mean, you guys could then break down this whole melody and then start creating, you know, your own versions or doing whatever. So, I feel like the one shots are kind of self-explanatory what we got. So yeah, this is Andrew of Beat AT. Be sure to subscribe, click the push bell notification button, and I'll see you guys soon.